welcome back to my channel, superstars. How are you? Hope you're all well. This beautiful look that I just came up with is featuring the infamous Morphe James Charles Palette. I know. I am late to the game. I just picked this up recently, even though I should have picked it up sooner. I also have the Jaclyn Hill palette, to which, you know, I have yet to do a look out of that, even though I have some of her small vault palettes. But I wanted to do a really colorful, beautiful look with this particular palette. I love the colors that are in here. They're just absolutely gorgeous. And like I said, this was the result of what I came up with. It's traditional fall colors with a little shot of purple up in there and a little green on the waterline. And I hope you guys like this look. If you want to see how I achieve this look, keep on watching. Okay guys, to finish up my look, since I didn't go into deets about what I used on my face, it's always been the same regular routine that I've been using for my last couple of videos. For my foundation, I use Juvia's Place I Am Magic Velvety Matte Foundation in the shade Rio, combined with LA Colors Truly Matte Foundation in the shade Cappuccino, because this is a little light for me. It has a lot of yellow undertones, even though my skin has yellow undertones, but I also have warm undertones too, so this kind of balances this out. And then from there, I contoured my face with the Balm's Take Home the Bronze in the shade Greg. Love this shade. And then I highlighted my face with my Dark 40 Concealer by ColourPop. And to finish off my lips, I went ahead and, this is really an eyeliner pencil, but I use it as a lip liner pencil because it's the right shade of brown for my lips. This is by LA Colors. It is their eyeliner in the shade Brown. And then I filled that in with my NYX Lingerie Liquid Lipstick in the shade Push Up. Absolutely love. This is a beautiful nude shade. And then I topped it off with my NYX Butter Gloss Angel Food Cake. On my cheeks, I used my Saharan Blush Volume 1 in the shade Neo, which is top center of this palette. Really, really pretty. You would think that the colors would go on kind of dark on the skin, but they actually kind of sheer, but they're still super pigmented, so you still have to be careful about how much you put on your cheeks. So like I said, I just bounce the color onto my cheeks and then I just build up the layers and blend it out. So this is a gorgeous palette. I do plan on getting the Saharan 2 palette, which is also gorgeous, but it was sold out in Ulta, so that's the reason why I didn't get it. But this one is absolutely gorgeous. I don't know why I didn't pick up this sooner, but I should have. And then I went ahead and I sprayed my face to set my makeup with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist Spray. And cooled it all off with my little fan. So I hope you guys like this look. And like I said, I've been slow and going and, you know, being consistent about being on my channel, but I recently hit 166 subscribers, so I thank each and every one of you for subscribing to my channel. Once I hit 200 subscribers, however, I will do a appreciation subscriber giveaway on my channel. So stay tuned, stay close to this channel so you can get deets on that. Some lucky subscriber is going to be a winner of a bunch of beauty goodies that I'm going to give away. So like I said, stay tuned and I will be able to drop the contest rules on that really soon. And like I said, if you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. They subscribe, and I will check in with my beautiful superstars later. I love you all. Bye. Mwah.